Welcome to this quick and practical guide on how to delete your Facebook search history. If you've ever wondered what your friends or family might see when you search, this video will walk you through a simple, updated method to clear those traces and keep your activity a bit more private. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to manage and then navigate to the home screen where you usually scroll through posts and stories. The goal here is to access the search features that store your recent activity. Next, locate the search bar. It's typically at the top of the screen on the main feed or within the menu, depending on your device and app version. Tap on the search bar to bring up your recent searches. This area shows a list of terms you've recently looked up, which Facebook sometimes uses to personalize your experience. Once the search bar is opened, you'll see an option labeled See All. Tap on See All to expand the full history of your recent searches. This section can include a mix of people, pages, groups, and topics you've searched for in the past. Now, look for the Clear All option and select it. This action is designed to remove every item in your current search history. After tapping Clear All, Facebook will present a confirmation prompt. Confirm the action to proceed. Once confirmed, your search history will be wiped clean and the list should show as empty or with only a few very recent items, depending on updates to the app. If you want to maintain a cleaner experience going forward, you can repeat this process periodically or explore privacy settings to better control what Facebook saves in the first place. Keeping your app updated ensures you're using the latest steps and wording, since Facebook occasionally revises its interface. A quick reminder, clearing your search history doesn't delete all activity on Facebook. It simply removes the record of what you've searched for within the app. Other actions, like posts you've liked or comments you've made, stay as they are. If you're aiming for more privacy, consider reviewing broader privacy and activity controls within your account settings. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give it a like and share it with others who might want to tidy up their Facebook history. Thanks for watching.